G'day and welcome back to the Weedy Garden. Harvest time, pumpkin harvest time. This time we're gonna guess how many pumpkins there is. See, some are big, but some are small as well. These ones I'm gonna bake them and eat them and give them away. And these ones I think I'll give them to my worms because worms love rotting pumpkin. I've got so many of them. So that's good for feeding worms. If you can guess how many there is, I'll give you a hard copy of it at any given moment. Just a little quick video today with a guessing competition. And the prize winner will get a hard copy of At Any Given Moment, my book. If you don't know what At Any Given Moment is, it's on Patreon and there's a link in the description, okay? See, in a couple of weeks I've got a grounded action party happening here in the Weedy Garden. And a grounded action party is when you invite your mates in your community, boys and girls, women and men, and they come out and give you a hand in your garden for the day. Last month we were at someone else's place and next month we'll be at someone else's place, but next weekend everyone's going to come here. And so I've been collecting my fruit trees and been preparing my stuff. Got a dunny set up over there. I've marked out all my swales on the side of the hill where people are going to dig. And in the process I had to go through my pumpkin vine. This pumpkin vine that's been growing and growing and growing since spring last year. And because if I don't take them now, they're going to get walked on and in the way, and it's just about time to harvest anyway. So I harvested all these pumpkins, see? And when people come on the weekend, I'm going to have a little guessing competition. And the winner, they'll get a basket full of wonderful, colourful, natural, clean, organic food. But I'm thinking to share this guessing competition with you guys out there as well. I put it up on Instagram already, and I put it up on Facebook, and I put it up in the YouTube community on my channel. But I'm not going to say how many pumpkins there is yet, but I will say it on the next video that's going to come on the 25th of June, which will be my worm farm video. And all the correct answers, I'm going to put them in this hat. Alright, and then on the video, on the 25th, I'll pull out one of the correct answers from the hat and I'll read it up, and that person then can send me a message on Facebook, and I'll get their address and I'll send them this book. This is a hard copy of At Any Given Moment. That's the one that's on Patreon. And if you haven't seen At Any Given Moment yet, it's a story of my life travels through all sorts of different countries, where I tried to find the source of my creativity and share it with people. So that's At Any Given Moment, and that's going to be the prize for the person that made the correct answer of all the pumpkins. All right, and I'm just going to say that there's some little ones in there too, so don't be confused. A lot of the little ones are on the bottom, but there's not a lot of the little ones. Most of them are around about this size. Most of them about this size, and they're called. I think they're called Musqué de Provence. I don't know how they ended up in my garden because I thought I'd planted jet pumpkins. But they're really tasty. I've already tasted a couple. But anyway, that's the guessing competition. Write your answer in the comments. I'll pull out a winner on the 25th of June on my next video, the worm farm video, okay? So until then, have a nice day. I'll catch you later. This is my dad's hat, this old hat. Oh, I was just going to say, look, don't be confused. Look, let's just see. I'll get 10 pumpkins. I'll get 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Oh, little one, 10. So you can see how many there is there. You know, there's a lot of pumpkins, and most of the comments so far, they've been a fair bit under, okay? There's been a fair bit under. So if you think how many there is, probably try to double that, and you might be closer. Alright, so that's fun. I'm going to share a lot of these with the guys this weekend as well. So we'll make a big pumpkin soup. So Weedy Garden signing out. Have a nice day and happy guessing. So if you just write how many you think there is in the comments, you can comment as many times as you want, but just make sure you only have one number in each comment.